Well, today I have to clean my kerosene heater. Many people use these portable kerosene heaters that are made by any number of different companies. Um, it's like a 22 or 23,000 BTU heater. It does a really nice job. Very low odor. This one is a Dura-Heat. I've had it for a lot of years. You can tell by the grime and grit on it. What happens after a while is the wicks become dirty and they need to be cleaned. The flame will get kind of yellow and it doesn't burn as high. So what you do is you remove these two screws on either side, and that holds this reflective heat thing. Just use your handle and pull the top off, just like so. You can see these little bits of wick. I lower the wick right down to the top, and you can see how much soot is on there. And so what I do is I just rub it. I can feel it with my finger. You can use a brush. Sometimes I just do this and just rub it, because then I know I'm not being too overly aggressive. Just gotta watch out. There's some sharp edges. And what we'll do is we'll refill this with fuel and let it sit for a half hour so the wick absorbs the fuel, and then we'll be ready to fire it up and light it again. And these wicks last a very long time. These are pretty nice heaters. You can use them indoors. You want to leave a door open or a window open. I've put my carbon monoxide detector on it, literally right over the top. A very good carbon monoxide detector, and registered no carbon monoxide. Just like that. Just have to move the burner from side to side after lighting. Get a little bit of smoke off the top. Just a little bit. I don't know if you can pick up that. Just a little bit. As that, all those little pieces of carbon are burning off that I've scrubbed off. But already the flame is much higher than it was in the past. So we're going to get more heat out of this, and we'll get a much more complete burn than we were getting. And that's how you take care of one of these kerosene heaters. Thanks a lot for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe and share. Click the thumbs up button. We'll see you in the next video.